Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create abstract line in Photoshop mobile application. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to go to my Photoshop application and I'm going to choose a photo to edit. I'm just going to choose this photo for example, and if we want to create abstract line, we can use draw feature in Photoshop. You can scroll all the way to the right until you find this draw option, and here you can customize the size of the brush, the color, the opacity, and the feather as well. And I'm going to make the size smaller like this. Then you can choose the color for your brush. I'm just going to choose this pink color, and then for the feather I'm going to increase it. Okay, once you're ready to draw on your photo, you just need to draw like this and you can create the abstract line that you want. Okay, and then now it's done guys. Now the abstract line has been created. And if you want to save your photo, you can click on this download icon and the photo will be saved to your device. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create abstract line in Photoshop mobile application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.